Thank you guys for showering so much love on my last comparison video on BOAT BASSHEADS 225 versus JBL C100 SI. If you have not checked that video yet, link in the I button. But before that, watch this video. Today I will be comparing newly launched BOAT BASSHEADS 152 to the best selling budget earphone, that is BOAT BASSHEADS 225. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. As always, let's start with box contents. Both the earphones comes with the main earphone, obviously, extra ear tips in small, medium and large, warranty manual, and that's it. Now let's jump into the physical overview. The housing of BOAT 225 is constructed totally on metal, which feels very sturdy and durable and has also little bit heft to it, due to which earphones sometimes comes out when there is minor accidental pulls and not comfortable for longer durations. On the other hand, housing of BOAT 152 is constructed on some kind of metal, I believe, but the inner section is in plastic. Overall, the earphone has angular design and feels extremely lightweight, super comfortable and can be used for longer duration. Wire of BOAT 225 is made up of rubbery finish and flat profile, which is also tangle free, and on the other hand, BOAT 152 comes with rubbery finish wire on top and rest is made up of braided finish, and it is also a tangle free wire. Well, I have seen many people are complaining that BOAT may have given entire wire braided, but I am happy with this combination because when I am walking or traveling but not using my earphone, I generally hang around my neck, and due to rubbery finish, this part is much more soft and smooth as compared to braided part, so as a result it does not feel disturbing at all. So I have no complaints there. In my opinion, both feels very strong and good quality, will give you longer life in both the cases. Both the earphones comes with single button to pause or play, receive and end calls paired with microphone. Also, both the earphones comes with gold plated 3.5 mm jack and both are angular type. Gold plated ensures better connectivity and better sound output via output jack. And now comes the most awaited part, that is sound. I will divide the sound signature into three types. First, the sound stage or sound loudness. Second, treble. And lastly, the bass. BASSHEADS 152 and 225 has high loudness, very powerful, punchy and enjoyable. One thing I have to say, I have to tweak some settings in my equalizer for BOAT 152 and the outcome was on point. Initially, I was not getting desirable output from BOAT 152, but after some tweaking, I was impressed. So in the round of sound stage or sound loudness, both the earphones are great. Next comes the treble. BOAT 225 has adequate amount of treble, but BOAT 152 just blows BASSHEADS 225 in treble. Yes, BASSHEADS 152 has more rich, bright and clearer trebles as compared to 225. Don't get me wrong, 225 has adequate treble, but 152 has some more punch to it. And lastly, the bass. Again, both the earphones has solid bass in them, but BOAT 225 has much more polished, enjoyable and bombastic bass, whereas on the other hand, BOAT 152 has also good quality bass but lacks some kind of polishness in them if I compare with 225. BOAT 152 creates enough and good amount of bass but just cannot match the overall bass performance of BASSHEADS 225. Now let's talk warranty and pricing. BOAT 152 sells for around 399 to 499 Indian rupees, whereas BOAT 225 sells for 499 to 550 Indian rupees. And both the products comes under 1 year manufacturer warranty, which is a great thing in my opinion because some other companies provide 6 months of warranty for budget earphones. So what's the conclusion? Should you buy BASSHEADS 225 or BASSHEADS 152? To be very honest, both the products comes with some pros and some cons to one another. BOAT 225 is not comfortable for longer duration and earphones comes out easily during minor accidental pulls, whereas BASSHEADS 152 is very much comfortable, lightweight and can be used for longer duration. Overall bass output is much better in 225, whereas 152 is not up to that mark. It is there in 152, but 225 is slightly better. If you ask me, I will lean towards BOAT BASSHEADS 152 over 225 because I can sacrifice little bit of bass output over lightweight and user comfort. But if you are planning to buy 225, it is also a very good earphone. If you are planning to buy any one of these, I will provide best buy links in the video description down below. Buy from my given link, it helps my channel to grow and you won't charge anything extra for that. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I make unboxings, reviews, comparisons, vlogs and whatnot. Show some support by clicking the subscribe button. That's pretty much it for today. I will catch you guys in my upcoming videos.